Are you looking for the best airless paint sprayers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best airless paint sprayers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Graco Magnum X5 electric TrueAirless sprayer. Graco dominates the paint sprayer industry with pro models that run well over $1,000. So we wanted to know if the DIY-friendly Graco Magnum X5 sprayer would give us a professional finish. This model did a fantastic job providing us with a flawless painted surface. The Graco Magnum X5 is not a commercial machine. It includes a 25-foot hose and generates enough pump pressure to use a 75-foot hose not included, but is not designed for use on large commercial projects. For that purpose, you'd want a more powerful sprayer, like the Graco Magnum Prox 19 we feature below as best for pros. This airless sprayer is an excellent option for most homeowner and DIY projects, including interior and exterior walls, siding, furniture, cabinets, and more. It comes almost completely assembled. We only had to connect the intake hose and the paint hose. The spray tip was already in the gun, and all the knobs and the stand were connected. On startup, the Graco Magnum X5 automatically primed its pump within seconds, and then we got started. All it took was a slight turn of the pressure dial to achieve a fine paint spray that didn't leave overlap marks. After testing this sprayer on several boards, plywood, and drywall, we used it to paint a client's bifold doors, and the finish looked every bit as good as we've achieved in the past with professional paint sprayers. Make no mistake, you'll need patience and practice to perfect the correct technique, but once you master it, you'll get professional results from this spray paint machine. Up next in the 4th place is the Wagner Control Pro 190 sprayer. The Wagner Control Pro 190 airless paint sprayer was impressive in our testing. With a higher 0.4 GPM and a lower 1/600 psi, it provided a uniform spray without the overspray associated with higher pressure machines. We were able to make clean paint swaths without getting excess paint on surrounding surfaces. This model includes a 50-foot hose that's just right for reaching all the areas of most residential paint projects, along with a 515 latex tip. We got a slightly better finish from thinned latex, which suggests the sprayer will also easily handle stains when paired with the He 311 tips sold separately. The sprayer is not designed for projects that require high-speed coverage. However, it is well suited for DIY projects that demand detailed paint application, such as painting doors and cabinets or applying stain and sealers. The 3rd product on our list is the Graco Ultra Cordless Handheld Paint Sprayer. No electrical outlet. That's not a problem with the Graco Ultra Cordless Handheld Paint Sprayer. While most airless paint sprayers tend to be designed for use with heavy-duty extension cords, you can use this model in remote locations without an electrical power source. A dual 20V max rechargeable battery and charger included powers this handheld sprayer. So if you're a dual fan like we are, you can swap in other 20V batteries if desired. This handheld paint sprayer is just the ticket for small paint jobs, such as painting furniture or shutters, or just quick touch-ups, and it's ideal for painting in small rooms when lugging a larger sprayer would be impractical. While this isn't a versatile sprayer that can handle all jobs, it's a great add-on for a pro facing a small paint job, or a DIYer who regularly tackles limited-sized projects. Second on our list is the Titan ControlMax 1700 sprayer. The Titan ControlMax 1700 is an He paint sprayer, which means it produces less of the overspray that can be an issue when you're getting comfortable with paint sprayers. The manufacturer claims the reduction in overspray is up to 55%, making this sprayer a great pick for beginners trying to master the techniques for a flawless finish. A lower 1/500 psi ensures It is easier to control the paint swaths while lessening the chance of making messes. We also like this model for painting details like intricate trim and shutter louvers. You'll still need to tape off for clean edges. The lower size should also make the Titan ControlMax 1700 a good airless sprayer for applying stains and sealants. We like the idea of its all-metal gun for added durability and the inclusion of a 30-foot hose. While this model isn't the best choice for high-speed application, it's a solid option for any user who wants professional painting results from an airless sprayer. Finally, the top product on our list is the Wagner Control Pro 170 airless sprayer. You can certainly spray paint with the Wagner Control Pro 170 sprayer, but with a maximum operating pressure of 1 in 500 psi. It's also well suited to spraying wood stain, solid stain, and semi-transparent stain. We're used to seeing lower operating pressures associated with softer spray patterns, which is ideal for applying stains that typically penetrate the surface of the wood rather than sit on top. The lower size should also reduce the risk of overspray and make the Wagner Control Pro 170 easier to use when applying stain uniformly for even absorption. This sprayer includes a 30-foot hose and a 515 tip. If you plan on using this model exclusively for spraying stain, plan to invest in Wagner's He 311 tip, which is better suited to spraying stain. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.